6 months in business, $16 million in payouts with a massive discount. I'd like to share with you, they got a new website and I'd like to talk to you about it. Of course, we've been trading Top 1 futures for a few months, pretty much every single day on my live stream. You can see that on from 8 a.m. EST time from Monday to Friday. Also, we do giveaways with instant funding accounts pretty much daily. So feel free to join us, guys. Now, Top 1 futures has been performing extremely well. The payouts are averaging less than 24 hours. There is a live chat support as well. And a lot of the things have been running in the right direction. Therefore, their current massive promotion is sitting on 50%. They're also celebrating the new website, so 50% promotion. But with my code, you actually get 5% extra from the original price, which is quite a lot. That 5% usually is 30, 40 bucks per each account, so that kind of adds up. Therefore, they're still running two different instant funded options. The instant sim funded, the first one that I haven't circled, which is based on end of the day drawdown, and the Sim Pro accounts, the second one right there, which is still an instant funded account, a straight to funded account, but that has an intraday drawdown model. Of course, the intraday is cheaper. Now, even the instant sim funded right now are sitting in a pretty good category, pretty comfortable. With my code, this is, and let's just do the math, the 150K, which is pretty much the most popular. So it's instant sim funded, 150K, platform projectx, which is also the place we're trading really well with nice copy trading features and all that stuff, right? So scramble for the coupon code apply, and you have it at $404 right there. And on top of that, you don't have to trade for 10 days anymore. This is something exclusively part of this promotion, guys. We've talked about it in our Discord community as well. No more days minimum necessarily for those of you that are buying during this period. The promotion is about to last for approximately a week. The time I'm filming this is 16th of October 2025. So the numbers are going to be around that standpoint. Now, of course, there is a possibility of extension. There are great news with the possibilities of TradeOvate and NinjaTrader. They've been testing. They already have TradeOvate and NinjaTrader on their testings, and it's ready to be deployed. So we're looking forward to finding out pretty much more about that. We're going to film on the subject. We're going to film on that when TradeOvate and NinjaTrader is going to be live. Therefore, the instant sim funded running on the end of the day drawdown model, the payout target is sitting at 6%, and there is the consistency right here. There is an increase with the current promotion for the $25,000 and $50,000 accounts, right? So for the two accounts that we have, from maximum 3 to maximum 5, you can have more out of those. And of course, all the other remain with maximum 3 accounts available. The business is keeping a nice balance with that. And then we have the Sim Pro version, which is really cheap out there, comes somewhere around $300 for the 150K. 5 accounts, think about that. Sim Pro, 150K, continue. Look at that one, guys. We're going to put a coupon code, and the 55% makes it $314 per account. It's instant funded. It's 150K, $314 with a payout on $3,000, which is, really comfortable out there, especially if you're having a great time. 5 accounts, that really adds up. Of course, you got to handle the intraday drawdown for that instance. Well, this is pretty much where we are with this prop firm. I did wanted to share with you my dashboard and see how things are going for my Top 1 futures trading. I'm going to log into my dashboard and share with you some numbers, right? I'd like to share with you my payouts and the total payout certificate, right? So all the payouts we had. We're going to open this certificate that's generated by the system. With total payouts, we have actually $44,000 in payouts from Tap on Futures as lifetime payouts. Extremely happy with that one. Tap on Futures has been delivering. Payouts on Rise are back, functional, support as well. You got to pay attention to the micro scalping, which you should not abuse. So if you have an exception here or there, it's fine. But if you start making money as a core method, as a main business model and strategy, micro scalping means trading within 10 seconds. Any trade needs to be allowed to run more than 10 seconds, so it has to be held active for more than 10 seconds, guys. Now, this is where we are in a nutshell for the Tap on Futures that has been in a really good position for the past couple of months, advancing, progressing, and now with Tradeovate and NinjaTrader coming out, which is something I'm gonna film about at the time it is live. They've been doing the back testings. I also tested a Tradeovate account with Tap on Futures, so I've been part of the testings. Probably we are at the successful level of the final stage with this ones of speaking about the testings, right? So that's pretty much all, guys. That's where we are at the moment. Once again, make sure to join our Discord as well. This is our place with the whole traders community. Make sure to join our daily live stream. All the links and coupon codes can be found in the description area and comments area. We do daily giveaways. We're sharing all these things with our great people. And, wish you good luck, guys. There's going to be more promotions, more videos coming up. We're getting ready and preparing partnerships with all sorts of collaborations. Have a good time. Join our live stream. We'll talk to you soon.